Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can easily set up a timer on like CapCut, so like on the camera option. So to do that, you are going to select the camera option right here, and to select the timer you're just going to select the timer right here. And you can, as you can see, there's like 7 seconds, 3 and 7 seconds. And then once you record it, it's going to timer your video. I'm not sure if I can show you. So as you can see, it has this like timer on it. There's also a lot of options here, but I'm not going to go through that today. That is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!